It's been 2 years since the Birds Point levee was blown to relieve pressure from the Mississippi River. Today, U.S. Senator Roy Blunt toured all 3 breach points. Blunt told Heartland News he wanted to check on the rebuilding project and see on the land that was flooded. The senator says what happened here should be used as a learning tool to prepare for decisions in the future.
Modeling, what do you think might happen? The one advantage we have right now is everybody knows what will happen, because at least they know what will happen if the floodway is exactly the same way it was used just 24 months ago. And what have we learned from that?
Blunt says he hopes people realize how long it takes areas like this to recover from flooding, and says it should be considered before activating the floodway in the future.